Yeah. All right, you guys, we're about to hop online and do a quick trading session, so let's go ahead and jump right in and look at the charts. For everybody that's hopping on that wants to learn how to trade but you have not started your journey yet, you can head to our website, profittakerseu.com. Head over to the courses tab, submit your information and get access to our free 9-day course. We'll show you how to set up your demo account, your live account, teach you how to place and monitor your trade setups, and that way you can jump on these live sessions and get active with us. All right, so first thing we want to do, I want to take a look at these trades that we entered last night. We had a couple limit orders placed and our trade setups activated. So the first thing we have, gold. This was a trade that was called in our live session. We just hit TP1 on gold. Yep, TP1 hit, so we got a winner. Okay. Win. Yeah. All right, so that's TP1 hit on gold. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure everything is closed out over here. Did you have that gold setup set, Serenity? That trade, that gold trade. Yeah, check it. I got my 6-year-old, 7-year-old kids in here trading with me. They just follow along. I give them the exact coordinates. They put them in. Both of them, I'm up over $1,000 on their account. Big wins for them. Shout out to the babies. Win. Yeah.
Wow, this is
okay. So the indices are still creating high highs. We caught, XAU USD is gold.
Okay.
We caught a buy with 2 positions on S&P 500. This thing worked out well. We took NASDAQ 100 buys. All targets hit on these. And again, all of these trades are called in our live sessions. So take advantage of it. Let's see. We also took an AUD USD buy. We hit TP1 and TP2. Right now with price pulling back, hitting it 618 like this. If it fell, we could see a lower low on AUD USD. So let's go ahead and see what's underneath these lows that price could be attracted to. And maybe look at closing our last position on AUD USD depending on how this candle closes. And we can figure out where to go from there. Okay. Okay. Let me get rid of these TPs for now. Okay, so I'm looking for anything that falls on either the 786, the 618, or the 382 that could give me a sign that price could possibly pull back to that area. Oh, let me just minimize that. I'll get rid of that. And right here we got this double bottom, but it looked like this tested it. A double bottom, when you see it in the market, it normally tells you that price is about to reverse. So let's say you got price going down and it creates this pattern here. As soon as it pulls back to retest it, you'll start to see the market moving in an uptrend. So these are just signs that repeat themselves over and over again, but we use them to figure out what's going to happen in the market so we can make profit off of it. And most of us would get intimidated by it, but if you just be patient and train your eyes, it'll become real easy for you. All right, so we got room on the 618. And that's beneath all of this liquidity. Okay, so when I first started trading, I learned this hard lesson, but it was still a lesson and a blessing in disguise. I figured out that not only was market man-made, it was man-manipulated, and not many people spoke about manipulation when it came to the market in the form of stop hunting. All right, now what that is on the other side, they can see all of these orders, okay? Let's say that these are stop orders. These are the orders that protect you from losing too much money on your trades. Normally when the market starts to reject at a certain area, people will start protecting their trades by placing their stop orders underneath the area. The market will rip down, collect all of those stop losses, hit another area underneath it, and take off. So after figuring this out, at first I was pissed because I was a victim of it, but instead of being upset, I learned to use it to my advantage to find great trade setups. And I get entries where, in most cases, we get wicked into these trades and we go directly into profit. So sometimes that ass whooping end up putting you in a perfect position to win. Still winning profit though. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's see. What time frame was that? Oh, the 2 hour. Okay, so close the last position on AUD USD for that buy Serenity, and let's sell it right now.
How do you, which one?
Go down to your open positions.
And you want me to delete one of them. What do you want? Wait.
Wo-
I'm on the bottom and it says Euro 8 USD.
Yep, AUD USD. That's right. I want you to go to your trading window, and we're gonna sell by market.
Wait, I said Euro.
No, AUD USD, not Euro USD.
Okay. Say he said. I do not see it.
You don't see it? Minimize your window so you can scroll.
I still can't see it on positions. think it's
No, not on positions. We're opening up a new trade now. So come right here on the right where you see instruments. Mm-hmm.
so you said AUD USD?
Yes, ma'am. AUD USD.
Found it.
I know you did.
Okay. Now make sure to type in the stop loss 1,000.
Right. Make sure to type in the stop loss. So my daughter, she went up. Oh man, learning lessons are beautiful. So we gotta look and laugh and enjoy them, just like we enjoy the fun times. All right. So she went up almost $3,000, and she got a little lazy. Okay. So she got there by making sure she put in all of her stop losses. Excuse me. All of her targets on all of the trades that we took. But we just kept winning so many, and she was making so much money that, oh man, she lost that discipline that got her there. Put in one trade, and that trade put her down like $1,200. Yeah, $1,000 or $1,200. But you're still in profit, and you learned a beautiful lesson. Just because you are ahead, that doesn't mean lose your focus. You got to stay disciplined, baby. You got to stay consistent.
And that's why you have $100.
Right, and you can get it back. And you're still in profit, so you're still winning. All right, let me see. Make sure I got the right percentage up here.
Okay, what are we doing? Okay, we doing a sale?
So she risked the right percentage on the trade. So she would have had a stop loss in. She would have only lost what she was supposed to lose in that lesson. All right, we got this pound JPY buy that we put in earlier this week. Okay, this was also called on our live session. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners this week.
And are we doing a sale?
Depending on if AUD, USD continues to fall or breaks above this area right here, treating it like a bull flag, that'll determine if we get a lesson or if we get another win. But so far, nothing but big wins for the team. So, man, y'all hop in and get active.
Win. Yeah.
Yeah, big wins, big wins. Okay. So let's see what's going on. All right, so we were looking for what's this? CADJPY to either hit the lows right here on this 236 or pull back to retest this area in the 50 before taking a trade on it. So one thing that gets a lot of traders is this feeling of missing out. Yep. FOMO, fear of missing out. You feel like you just got to be in the damn trade. Find something else to do. Because if you just sit and stare at this thing, you will make a mistake. And trading inside of areas that you do not have major structure can be dangerous. Like there are some days where you'll just get crazy wicks where you have really impulsive movement in the market, and it'll just destroy your positions. So the best thing that you can do is find stronger areas of structure to enter in your trades. And what I mean by that is if you start looking to the left and see how many times price rejected at that area that you're looking to enter in, that'll let you know how strong structure is at that level. Okay? Do it on the higher time frames, of course. So when you see this on the 4 hour right here, that lets you know that you got a decent amount of rejections. And that area beneath it right here, this is an even stronger area. But we're only looking at how many times price rejected. So that'll give you a good idea of when to enter your trade setups and where to put your stop losses. So right now in this trade setup, if price reaches this area and it does not break above the 50, get out of the way. Yeah, and if it does not break above the 50, let me show you. If it doesn't break above the 50 right here, I'm looking for price to come down to retest the 236. All right, I just told you guys about liquidity. When price pulled down to this area and created those rejections, it created liquidity beneath it. So I'm looking for this area to get broken. And I also told you about these reversal patterns, right? But reversal patterns are relative, and what I mean by that is they are stronger when they happen at levels that are strong as far as structure. So if you would have had a double bottom right here, like this one, this would hold and this one would be broken because you have more structural right here because of the rejections. So this will be considered a stronger level of support. So when you guys start looking at your reversal pattern, start looking at the strength of the support level or the resistance level that it occurred at, and that'll let you know if it'll get broken or not. So we'll set an alert right here to let us know when we're into this sale on CAD/JPY. That's another way that we can be here, but remove ourselves from just staring at every damn trade. We also took this this Euro AUD sale that we're still in. Let's see if we get another break.
Okay, Tom, this is the Hertz Let's Go lightning round. You ready? You got your lucky line? I'm ready, Bob. Okay, well, let's go. Round one. What exciting benefits do you get?
Let's see. All right. So we just hit TP2 on Euro CAD earlier this morning too.
Win.
So we hit like maybe 6 TPs since Monday, all from our live session. So you guys hop online and get active with us. If you do not know where to start, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Head over to the courses tab, go down to free courses. Get our free 9-day course. It'll teach you how to place your trades, monitor your trades, and also how to leverage them. That way you can join us in our live sessions and make money when I make money, okay? I'm giving all of the stop losses. That course shows you how to make sure that you do not over leverage. And that way we'll all be in a position to win. Win. All right. You say, why am I doing this? Yes, I do have products. But man, I took courses myself, and I never saw the people that were teaching me trade at all. Never. I never seen anybody that I paid actually do the shit that they was telling me that works. And that's why I lost. Because nobody showed me how to do it. They just gave me shit and walked away. So I made sure that I would be different and bridge this gap. Not only just give you this shit, I'm finna do it in front of you. I'm gonna let you make money with me before you even decide if you wanna do it. You can take the money and do whatever the hell you wanna do. But I gotta break this trend. But okay, EuroCAD, Serenity, we're going to set a limit order. And this is what I mean about making profits without being present. We find areas in the market where you can see a retest, okay? And when you get those retests, the trade will activate on its own. And from there, the only thing you have to do is see how price responds at your targets, okay? So at our target 2, we took profit here, and then I see this M. That's a double top. So that's a really hard reversal. And it happened on a 618, which is a strong area in the market. So that's letting me know when we get a pullback to this area, I need to be looking at a change in trend. And also, I'm looking at these areas where we have relatively equal lows. That lets me know that these are areas that could be broken. Okay? So instead of just holding on to this trade setup and giving away all of the money that we just made, we're going to close our last position or put the stop loss deeper in profit, and we will enter a sell and just re-enter the buy here. Okay, so this is what I love about this, the market, really, Forex, and selling, doing options. You don't have to just buy and hold and let that be your only means of income when it comes to investing. We have the ability to get money when price falls. The only thing that you need to do is understand how price moves and how to take advantage of it. It's really just a click of a button, just like this, buy, sell. That's it. They just create some intimidating looking ass platforms to run people away, but it is really not as difficult as people think. The difficulty is not in understanding trading, it's in understanding and controlling your own emotions, really. Because once you see how much money you can make and how fast you can make it, the average person will lose their shit, and they treat it like a gamble. Oh, if I can make that using this amount, let me put up this amount. And it's the inconsistencies in the approach that creates a losing trader. And I've been on both sides, so just take my word for it, man. Just take it slow. Slow is fast when it comes to this. You'll be surprised how quick you can compound an account using 3%. All right, so we're about to put in a limit order. Did you already got that trade in, Serenity?
No, I was trying to ask if you wanted me to do a buy or sell.
On AUD USD?
Yes.
We just did a sell.
Okay, market sale. What's the thing on the stop loss?
What's the stop loss? The stop loss on the sell is 0.66. 927. All right, and just hit execute. I'll give you those targets. Yeah, put it at the right percentage. So just that simple, like typing in a phone number. Again, I got a 6-year-old and a 7-year-old putting in trades, making money. So I did that on purpose. For 2 reasons. I don't want them to create no jobs. I want them to create whatever, not careers, but dreams, not jobs. Not going to work for somebody. I want them to be free, start their own business, and be able to fund anything they want to do on their own. Millionaires before high school in. Okay, we got Euro AUD dropping right here. Let's see if it break this level right here. That means we're going deeper in profit on it.
You want me to do 3 of those thingies?
Yes, do 3. Yeah.
Okay, time to type in the stop loss again, which I remember.
Oh, yeah.
Because he said it.
Oh, that's what we're looking for.
66927. What's that
Yep, 0.66927.
Oh, and then I just turn this back into 1%.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have to do the 3.
Look like we got the continuation we were looking for on Euro AUD. So in the market, you'll see 3 different types of movement. You either see the market where it's consolidating like this. Come on, man. Get out of here. You'll see it moving in the uptrend where it's making higher highs and higher lows. Or it's moving in a downtrend. That's the only thing that these candlesticks are showing you. A different color just shows a different direction. But in training your eyes to see this, once you understand the different phases that the market has, you'll see how easy it is to understand when the trend is broken. That's the only thing we do really. Identify a trend, whether it's up, and figure out when it wants to reverse. And we do the same thing for the other side. So once you learn a couple simple concepts, everything else just falls together. All right, Serenity, I think we should just let these things run. Let's set that limit order on.
Limit order?
Yeah, we'll set that limit order on Euro CAD.
Euro CAD.
Yep, and close those last 2 Euro CAD positions.
Oh, there's Euro CAD. No, wait, that's not Euro CAD. It just had CAD at the end. Where is it? Oh, Euro. No, that's not. Oh, there it is. Euro CAD. And you said we're doing a market order?
Did we look at pound JPY? Oh, we did. We're almost about to hit TP1 on pound JPY.
But that already have 3 of those green things.
If you already have enough, I'm sorry. If you already have enough positions in, then that's fine, love. Okay, if pound JPY pulls back to this level, let's look at adding another position. That's another thing that we do when we find winning trade setups. We just look for areas that we could possibly get a retest, and we add to those positions to maximize that one trade. Man, you'd be surprised. One to 12, 1 to 11. Let's set an alert right here. All right, Serenity, we have to set a limit order on pound JPY after we finish this limit order on Euro CAD.
Euro CAD. I'm on Euro.
So let me give you the coordinates. So pull up your trading window.
Wait, how's the trading? What is a trading window?
Your trading panel, the place where you put your stop loss and your target areas.
Wait, I'm already on there. It's just smaller.
Okay, so
Wait,
click the button to get rid of the thing that shows your positions, so you'll have more space. Let me put in the right amount.
can we call Mom?
Of course.
Yeah, but the positions are only like super down. Like as down as I can put it.
As far as you can put it.
Yeah.
All right, let me see what you did with your trading panel. All right, so we're gonna enter in right here.
Right now.
Now look, baby, come here. No, you gotta watch me. I think you zoomed in. You see that? You just zoomed in. But there you go. You know what to do from there. Yep, so we're doing a pending order.
And buy?
No, baby. Here. Yeah, okay. So we're doing a pending order and then go to sell. And I'm about to give you the price. So my daughter, a 7-year-old, she's about to put in another trade. Let me show you how simple this is. So we use a different platform to put our trades in. But like I said, it's as simple as dialing the phone number. You ready for the price, Serenity?
Yeah.
The price is 1.48113. Okay. Now let's go to the stop loss. You ready to put that stop loss in?
Not yet. Okay, now I'm ready.
Now you ready?
Yeah.
All right, it's 1.48257.
257.
Yep, now just risk 1% on that trade and put in 3 positions, and I'll give you the targets when we finish with the session.
Okay, so
And that's it, man, and the trade is in.
Win. Yeah.
So don't let this thing scare you, man. Don't let this thing scare you. All right, so let's get back to, hold on one second. Let's get back to pound JPY. Oh, did I put all of mine in, or did I just talk you through yours?
okay, so you said there's 1.48257?
Yeah, we're at 48257. Yes, ma'am, you got it right.
Yeah.
But make sure you hit pending. It pops up on its own after the second one. You're right.
Yep.
So you're okay.
Risk 1%. Sell limit, which is execute. And then do it there. Like always. Yeah. Like
Okay.
always.
Yeah, this way you make it simple. If you wait on price instead of chasing it, not only do you win more, but it gives you time to actually create balance in your life, that time freedom that most people look for. Because when I ask people, hey, why do you want to trade? Oh, I want time freedom. I want financial freedom. But man, they get in front of this thing and they get addicted, bro. They just become a slave to this machine. Put these limit orders in and find something else to do. Go live. All right, cool. Yeah, go play. You're right. We have so much fun, man. Right. Let's go get that Slim and Husky pizza.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
My feet was like this.
All right, cool. So now we got all of those positions in on Euro CAD. You know what, Serenity? Let's go ahead and place that extra order on pound JPY too. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out of the way. That way we don't have to do it. We do it now. We don't have to revisit it later.
So pound, so GBP is pound?
Yep, GBP is pound. You getting it? That's another win. Come on, man.
Win. Yeah.
What did you say again?
GBP JPY, pound JPY.
I said GBP. And you should have heard Kai or Kyrie or whatever.
Let's see.
And then he was like, no, like.
Did you make it to pound JPY?
Yep.
Okay, so let me give you the.
The movements.
Oh, look at this.
What? Double bottle?
It could. So we could get either a rejection right here at the 50, but it could also come back here to retest this 382 level. So we may have to set 2 orders right here. We got a lot of structure right here though, so if it does come back to the 382, I'm pretty sure it's a strong chance it could hold. This one may be more of a short-term pullback.
Okay, so what's the stop loss? And we doing pending?
Yeah, so we'll watch this. We'll watch to see how price responds to this trade that we're going to take at the 50. So let's go ahead and still take it anyway.
We're doing a pending sale or market sale?
No, on this one we're doing a buy. So go to pending.
And buy.
Yep, and buy. And I'm about to give you the stop loss. And let me give you the price first.
Price. Delete. And I'm keeping only 19.
Okay. Yep. So 195. 0.666.
2.666.
All right, Serenity. Now, oh, I'm sorry. That's not the price. That's the stop loss. My apologies. The price is 196. 0.098. And the stop loss is 195. 0.666. All right, now place that trade.
Wait, I need to put it on 1%.
Oh yeah, put it on 1%.
You keep doing that to me.
My bad, man.
And now it's time.
All right, cool.
You doing 3 of those or 2 of those?
No, 3. We're always doing 3 positions because we always have 3 target areas.
Ow.
We want to have different target areas in the market so we make sure that we can take profit at some point. That way, if the trade turns around on us, we don't just give back everything that we made.
Okay, so 196.
All right, look like we're about to hit TP1 soon, so let's see how I respond.
So you said it's 196.666?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
Okay, 0.666. And then turn this into 1%. It's hot and I'm keeping my robe on. This is actually my first time sweating in my bed.
Hold on, I'm double checking. No, 195. 195.666. I went back to double check. My bad.
Now I forgot which one that I put wrong.
That was pound JPY. So go to your pending orders and you'll be able to find it. Right, it's easy. Don't panic. Don't panic.
And
Yeah.
now you said it's 195.66. I mean 0.666.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.666. And then oh no, I keep forgetting. Never mind.
I keep forgetting. All right, cool. I had to make sure I got my orders in. Giving you the coordinates. Oh no, redo that.
Run, and turn this into 1%. Pow and boop, and done. And then I just need one more. I already have $90 on one of them. That quick.
On which one?
On the first one.
Okay.
I mean the second one. Okay. Time to.
Pending. All right, cool. So now I got my trade set up saying that we can keep moving.
So you should have buy pending.
Yes, a pending buy. pending buy. All right, so we got everything set up, man. Little recap. What did we do? We got 2 TPs hit on AUD USD. How many pips is that? We got 148 pips on AUD USD. We got 2 entries on this little baby. Why I keep calling trades little babies? Because they are my little babies. Okay, 165 pips right here. 90 pips right here on that entry. And these are all wins from this week in our live session. So if you get your account set up, you'll be able to get this money with us. Win when we win. 150 pips right here. We're about to hit TP1 on that trade. We took this gold sell. We hit TP1. Another 190 pips right there. NASDAQ 100. Man, big wins this week.
Yeah, so that's
Hold on. We still not done. What was that? 386 pips on NAS 100. We had 2 entries on S&P 500. That's 886 pips on this one, and 626 on this one, and all of these trades were called in our live sessions. Okay, so we got big wins this week. Win. Yeah. And again, if you want to take advantage of these trade setups and hop on with us, and you do not know where to start, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and head over to our free courses. Our free 9-day course will teach you how to set up your demo account so you can go through these setups risk-free with me and just get comfortable with placing trades. Then after, you can set up your live accounts through the videos as well. And we also have our Mindset Series Structure Break, and this is the gem of the company, because in entering these financial markets, whichever part of you is the monster, you will face it head on. So aligning your mindset and shifting your paradigm before you focus on making the shift financially has been a big tool with creating success with our students. Along with that, we have our 6-week journal. So you'll learn how to create with your mind, speak, see, and write everything down to create alignment to manifest at a more rapid pace. And then we have a few books available on Amazon. We have our 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results book, which covers everything that I cover in our charting sessions and our live charting sessions. We also have our trading log books. They'll help you not only track your trades, but also your emotional state while executing, so you can see exactly where you need to grow when it comes to your process. Man. We have merch available as well. Y'all support the vision, support the team. And remember that you're one trade away from living, you guys. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay. Let the streets know.
Treat this like your fucking affirmation. Y'all tap in and get this money with us.